Alright, we're going to start unboxing. This is the MagnaFlow Overland for the 2016 and up Tacoma. We got some packing material. There's a lot going on in this box. There's the exit pipe. Muffler. Hardware. And instructions. I believe this is the resonator. And that's it. Here's a closer look at what's in the box. Appears to be very good quality. Nice welds. Yeah, that looks nice. Overland series. Got the instructions. Stickers for you sticker people. Huh. And a lot of clamps. Well, there you go. Well, there's everything that's in the box. The instructions say you can set it up 3 different ways. U-pipe with NDT chamber, moderate tone. U-pipe with pipe cap, aggressive tone. Or only pipe cap, most aggressive tone. Don't really want the drone on the highway, so we're just going to go with the U-pipe with NDT chamber. And once we get that installed, we will see what it sounds like. We'll see you in a minute. Alright, so now we're going to get into the install. Here are the tools that you're going to need. One note, the instructions said that you need a 13mm socket, but you actually need a 14 and a 15mm socket to use a pry tool, but I find using a flathead screwdriver and some WD-40 works just as well. The installation is pretty straightforward. You pretty much just unbolt the old pipe, fish it out, and install the new one from the front to the back. I pre-built the system to make sure I knew where everything went on the tailgate, as you can see here, and then took apart what I could and rebuilt it underneath the truck. I learned a lesson here when trying to remove the stock muffler. The spare tire was in the way, so I would suggest dropping the spare tire before you start. It'll just give you more room. We're going to start the truck with the windows up, see what it sounds like. This is the stock exhaust. It's all installed. Here's the first startup. Windows are up. Let's roll the windows down. at 70 on the highway. It's not very noticeable. You can easily have a conversation. If you turn on some music, I doubt you'd hear it at all. Yeah, all in all, I'm pretty happy with it.